Clear away. Clear up. Away.
Hey everyone, today I want to talk about the meanings for the two phrasal verbs clear up and clear away. Let's start with clear up. There are a few definitions for clear up that I'm going to talk about today. The first one means to fix a problem. Let's look at an example. We can use clear up if we're having a disagreement or a misunderstanding with someone. And when we fix the problem or the misunderstanding, we can say, we cleared up the problem. The second definition for clear up means to go away. And this definition we use a lot to talk about like if we've had a cold or some sort of illness and our symptoms go away, we say our symptoms cleared up. So maybe my nose was runny and my throat was sore and those symptoms went away. We also use this definition to talk about maybe a breakout on your skin, like if you had some pimples, we would say that my skin cleared up. My skin cleared up. So finally, we also use clear up to talk about the weather. So to talk about weather clearing up. And I have an example, so let's take a look at that. The sky cleared up after the storm. Okay, so now let's talk about clear away. Now, the main definition in my mind for clear away is to move something out of the way in order to make space. So let's look at an example. I'm clearing away my things so that I can make some space on the table. Now, some native speakers of English may use clear up in place of clear away to clear away a space. Myself, I feel like my dialect in my region, I'm going to use clear away. I wouldn't really use clear up in that context. Now, clear away also starts to feel very similar to the verb clean up. The difference in my mind between clear away and clean up, if I clear something away, I don't necessarily put it away. I might just move it to the side so that I have space. But if I clean something up, I clean it, I put it away, I make the space clean. So I hope that this was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions.